Welcome back, people. So now that you understood the three categories, large cap, mid cap and small cap, we're going to get two more categories which are kind of fancy and which is kind of very, very popular amongst the investing community in India, especially in India, right? If you're in India and seeing this in India, and if you want to be part of Indian stock market, you should kind of consider this. The first category is called as Rithik stocks. Rithik stock. It's a fancy name. Now, what are these Rithik stocks? It's a combination of few stocks which you're gonna invest in. What are those? Here it comes, people. It's Rithik stands for HDFC, Reliance, Infosys, TCS, HDFC, both HDFC Bank at the beginning and HDFC Limited at the mid, and then ITC and Kotak. These are the seven stock which definitely should be part of your kitty, because all of them there is a combination of mid cap to large cap ones. There are pretty much large cap here, and they have if you are an investing mindset person, right, for a long term, you simply can keep on dropping in your money there. Any money excess you have, you simply keep dropping in. You can be rest assured that this money will not get eroded. And if you remain disciplined for 10 years, 15 years on this, you will see your wealth accelerating like crazy. So this is Rithik stocks. So hope you kind of taking notes on especially these. Even if you don't do the other sets, this definitely has to be part of your kitty. That is one. And the second one, are you ready for the second one, people? If you're ready for the second one, type in the comment, ready for second fancy. This is my way of keeping the interaction going on. So please comment. I love to read your comments and also respond to that. Great. So now second set of stocks is called as Bharat stocks. Now what does Bharat stocks stand for? Here it goes. It starts with Bharti Airtel, again HDFC Bank, Asian Paints, phenomenal scripts. You definitely should be part of your kitty. Reliance, D-Mart, Avenue Supermarts Limited. Just go for that. TCS and Unilever, Hindustan Unilever. So this is the Bharat stocks, which again is going to outbeat the market in itself. It's a very good combination for investors and for medium term to long term. I would say more of long term than medium term. And if you kind of are disciplined, you will see your wealth growing phenomenally well over a 5 years to 10 years horizon. So hope you kind of got something very valuable in this part of the section. Make use of that, and start to plan your investment and start to plan of how you want to do, what you want to pick up, how much money you want to kind of bring in. And I'll come and talk about what does it really mean to be an investor. See you in my next video. Until then, keep thinking which stock you want to start with. Bye-bye.